Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Corporate Book Kit is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your LLC, providing a centralized and organized system for all your vital business documents, ensuring compliance, and offering peace of mind knowing everything is in order. This comprehensive kit simplifies record keeping, protects your liability, and presents a professional image to clients and stakeholders, making it an essential tool for any serious entrepreneur. Number 5. Corpkit Kit, Black. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to establish a professional corporate presence. It's designed for efficiency and a polished look. The high-quality binder and slipcase keep your documents organized and protected. A window on the spine allows for easy identification. Save time and ensure accuracy with pre-printed corporate minutes and bylaws. It streamlines your setup process. It includes 20 custom-printed and numbered stock certificates, ready for use. They are professionally designed for a formal appearance. The kit also features a metal corporate seal with a carrying pouch. This adds an important touch of legitimacy to your official documents. Convenient index tabs are included to help you keep everything neatly organized within the binder. This makes finding specific documents quick and simple. What we like. It has everything you need to get started, including pre-printed forms and a metal corporate seal. If you're looking for a complete and professional corporate kit, this is a great option. Its custom certificates add a touch of class and professionalism to your business. What people say. The paper used is good quality and thick, giving a premium feel. The booklet was not leather, I prefer it not being animal-based, but was a good quality pleather. I like the sleeve that keeps everything together, items will not fall out, and it fits nicely on my bookshelf. The stamp worked great, and the stock certificate was appealing. The stenciled Corp name on the cover was a nice touch. This LLC kit is an excellent choice for keeping essential business documents organized and protected. The binder and slipcase have a sleek and professional black design, made from high-quality materials that give it a sophisticated look. Number 4. Blumberg Spartan LLC Kit. Everything you need to establish your limited liability company is included in this comprehensive kit. It's designed for ease of use and professional presentation. Receive fiable PDF operating agreements personalized with your LLC's name and state. These are emailed within 1 business day of your order. Print your agreement on 50 sheets of premium archival quality paper. It ensures your documents look professional and last. The kit includes a durable black vinyl binder with a protective slipcase to keep everything organized and safe from dust. The spine label makes it easy to identify your records. A custom company seal with a convenient storage pouch is provided. It adds legitimacy and professionalism to your LLC's documents. 20 professionally printed membership certificates are included, along with stubs, a transfer ledger, and a corporate records tickler. You can also choose between units, representative, or percent certificates. What we like. This kit stands out with its fiable PDF operating agreement, emailed to you quickly. If you need a digital version for easy access and modification, and prefer high-quality paper for printing, this is the perfect choice. The 50 sheets ensure you have plenty of space for signatures and revisions. What people say. Product had to be customized with name of LLC on certificates and on the corporate seal, so I was amazed at how quickly it was delivered. I liked that it came with quality paper, so I didn't have to go out and purchase premium, and I also liked that they emailed me everything in PDF format so I could quickly edit them and input my actual company name and info. I also liked the Corp seal they included. The kit came with several printed tabs related to running your business, and stock certificates, as well as various versions of operating agreements to fit your business. Number 3. Corpkit Junior Thriftkit. This kit provides everything you need to organize your company's essential documents. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. It features a sturdy vinyl binder with a matching slipcase, keeping everything neatly together. The single pocket keeps important documents readily accessible. A customized embossing seal adds a professional touch, and the sewn pouch offers secure storage for your valuable items. It includes 10 customized certificates reflecting your company's details. A stock membership ledger helps you keep track of everything. Your kit comes with printed minutes, bylaws, or operating agreements, state-specific for most states. This ensures compliance and organization. 6 or 7 index tabs help you find what you need quickly. A stock transfer or membership ledger, depending on your entity type, is also included. What we like. This kit offers a personalized touch with its customized binder and embossed seal. If you value a unique and professional look, and need state-specific forms, this kit is for you. It's perfect for businesses that want to make a statement. Number 2. Blumberg X Libris LLC Kit. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to organize your LLC's essential documents. It's designed for efficiency and professional presentation. The self-enclosed record book is crafted from luxurious mahogany brown vinyl, offering superior protection for your important papers. Its unique design ensures your documents stay secure. It features a patented debossed line design and turned-edge construction for lasting durability. The Velcro closure keeps everything safely inside. With 3 large D-rings, it holds nearly twice the capacity of ordinary kits, without adding extra bulk. You'll have plenty of space for all your records. The kit includes 20 full-page, red-numbered certificates with stubs, ready for use. A convenient handheld company seal is included in a matching zipper case. Index tabs are customized for LLCs, ensuring easy access to your documents. It's designed to streamline your record keeping. This kit is available with PDF or printed operating agreements, offering flexibility to suit your needs. Select the option that best fits your preferences. What we like. This kit features a luxurious, self-enclosed record book for superior protection and style. If you appreciate high-quality materials and a sophisticated look, this is the ideal choice. Its high capacity ensures you have ample space for all your important documents. What people say. A very nice set and everything in one place. Suits needs perfectly and came much faster than books I have ordered in past. The binders are terrific. Number 1. LLC Kit, Black. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to establish your LLC. It's designed for efficiency and professionalism. It includes a durable binder, a protective slipcase, pre-printed operating agreements, membership certificates, index tabs, and a self-inking seal. Everything is organized and ready to use. The binder and slipcase are made from high-quality, long-lasting materials, ensuring it can withstand repeated use. You can rely on it to keep your documents safe and organized. The self-inking stamp allows you to create professional-looking membership certificates with your custom LLC details. It's simple to use and makes a great first impression. With dimensions of 10.5 by 2 by 12 inches, it's perfectly sized for easy storage and convenient access to your important LLC documents. Everything is within easy reach. This kit helps you maintain a professional image and keep your LLC documents organized. It's the perfect solution for managing your business paperwork. What we like. This kit's self-inking stamp makes creating professional certificates a breeze. If you need a durable, easy-to-use kit that's also conveniently sized, this is it. Its high-quality materials ensure it will last for years to come. What people say. This is great quality. I love the personalized label. Very important item to have, legally. Comes with great working ads, love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.